Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Tech Talks YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert a data table in PDF to Excel. So let's jump right into that. So for the demonstration purposes, I have already downloaded a PDF file that I have stored on my desktop. I'm going to open this PDF file that contains the data table. And let's go ahead and copy the data from here and paste it into Excel. I'm gonna copy and now open my Excel spreadsheet. And paste my data here and see how the data looks like. As you can see that we have lost the data formatting. I cannot see the table that I can see here in the PDF format. So we have to find another way. So I'm gonna give you a solution for that. So let's take a look at that solution. I'm gonna give you the demonstration. So I'm gonna close this out. So what you have to do is first you will copy your data from the PDF file into a Word application, into Word file. So I'm going to open my Word application on my computer. And now I'm going to drag and drop my PDF file that contains that table that I want to copy in Excel. So I'm gonna copy it. I'm just gonna drop it here on blank document and wait for the processing to be done. So as soon as the processing is done, my whole data table is converted into this Word document. And from here I can copy this whole table that I wanna convert to Excel. I just come here and copy all data table and then copy and then open my Excel spreadsheet once again. Click blank document and come here and paste the data table from Word. And here you go. You can see that whole of your data table that was in the PDF format that I copied to Word is copied over to Excel spreadsheet. You can use this data table in any way. You can copy, you can paste, you can edit, you can analyze any data, you can add, you can delete any rows, you can do whatever you want to do with this data table. So that's all for today's video tutorial. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.